Do you have a C6 with stock taillights and you're sick and tired of it? Well, here at Morimoto, we have the perfect product for you, and it's the XB taillights for your C6. So before we get into the install, let's tell you what these things are all about. So first things first, your stock taillights are boring, they're dim, they don't really illuminate when backing up, and with that incandescent bulb, they're not very bright. They have a very slow on and off turn signal due to that incandescent bulb. And when you hit the brakes, they're not very bright, and the look is not very modern either. Now, when upgrading to your Morimoto XB taillights, you won't be disappointed. They come in either a smoked look or a red variation. And when you hit the brakes, they are extremely bright, and you also have the feature of having a sequential or standard turn signal. The taillight is fully LED, meaning zero maintenance. You won't have to worry about bulbs or anything, and with it being fully plug and play, it makes the install so easy. And how easy? Literally, it is one T15 screw on the very top of your taillight, and it's out. So just start on one side and just work your way over. Just turn this screw counterclockwise, and it'll come right out. Now all you have to do is push the side of the clips on the harness and pull it free. Now just go ahead and grab your Morimoto taillight, either in the smoke variation or the red. For us, we're gonna do the smoke variation on this one. Now before installing these, there is a left and right indicator on the very back of your taillight. Left will go on the driver's side, and right will go on the passenger side. Just get it plugged in, and make sure you hear a slight click. Now you're probably wondering what this part of the harness is. This actually allows you to either have a sequential turn signal or a standard. If you want the sequential, keep this unplugged. If you want it standard, then just plug it in. But we're gonna keep ours unplugged and keep it that nice sequential look. All right, now with the harness in, you can go ahead and just slide it right back in where your OEM was, and then just take that screw and reinstall it. Now before we continue with the install, just look at the difference between the Morimoto XB taillight and the OEM one. It is so much brighter, it has such an awesome modern day look too especially, and it was so easy to install. So before we finish the install, I really wanted to show you guys the difference between the OEM style turn signal and our new XB Morimoto taillight sequential turn signal, and it looks so freaking good. So let's go ahead and do the rest of the taillight so you can see it as a whole. And as easy as that, your Morimoto XB taillights have been installed. If you want to find out what all of the products we have for your C6 Corvette, just put in your year, make, and model on our website, and we'll catch you guys over there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and let us know what other products that you would like to see from Morimoto as well. Thanks again, guys, and we'll see you next time.